Welcome back. Another element that you have available to you is the Content Planner if you have the Pro version. If you click on Content Planner, what this will do is it will allow you to both plan designs and to schedule content to be connected to your social media account. For example, we can create a new event. Once we do that, we can then save the new event. Once we have edited a document, we can go to this Share area. We can then go to share the document on social media. We can then schedule the document. We can choose the date on which we are going to schedule the document. We are going to select the channel that we have connected to Canva. Now in this case, we're going to schedule our social media account on Twitter, and we're going to write in a message for this content. And we are going to schedule the content. Canva will then prepare the design and prepare to post the content on the date and the time at which we have set up. So basically, you can use the Content Planner as a reminder to create content on a specific day, or you can actually create the content in order to be uploaded to a specific area of account that you have connected to your Canva account. Either way, the Content Planner allows you to create content ahead of time or to be reminded of that creation ahead of time when you know you need it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.